Satan is my motor and my motor car. Satan is the only one who seems to understand. This weather report is brought to you by Satan. And by Satan, I definitely mean Ironmouse. And by brought to you, I mean it's dedicated to her. And by dedicated to her, I mean I'm inviting you all to go donate to the Immune Deficiency Fund for Ironmouse. Because Vishojo went and stole a bunch of money from her donations. And so we are, as a community, we are donating if we can. I can't afford to donate, but I can afford to ask you to donate if you can afford to donate. So I'll put the link in the description. And once again, this weather report brought to you by dedicating ourselves to our craft and what we love to do and the people who inspire us. And not stealing from charity. It's dedicated to that too. Major note from the NOAA today is that the major heat wave will continue from the southeast into parts of the central U.S. late into the week and into the weekend. I am noting the east coast off the Carolina Outer Banks, there is some precipitation. I can't tell if it'll make landfall or not, but if it does, it might be thunderstorm related, and you should watch out for any flooding in your area as pertains to your existing waterlogged level. The rest of the east coast looks pretty all right. Midwest looks pretty all right for rain, as does the Gulf, but all of the plainsy poos and the mountain states are kind of scattered with various different systems. Kansas in particular is seeing one right now, as well as the Dakotas and eastern Montana having some bigger systems over you with some definite thunderstorm activity. That is the yellow that we can see in those pockets. And the rest of the mountain states and the west coast do look pretty okay. Might have some really random scattered showers in there, but let's check your temperatures. It's going to be not as hot as it could be on the west coast. Mountain states, similar story. It's still hot, but it's not as hot as it could be. Plainsy poos, it's really hot. It's freaking hot for you guys. Midwesties, also very, very hot. New England, not quite as hot as the rest of the East Coast, but the rest of the East is quite hot. Did you get that? Dangerous heat. Prepare for it. McMurdo Station on the Ross Sea in Antarctica is sitting at negative 11 degrees Fahrenheit with winds coming in from the northeast at 23 to 29 miles per hour, and that is giving them a real feel of negative 46 degrees. Alaska, no precipitation of major note is available to be seen right now, and it might come in as the week goes on. Moderate rainfall amounts, though nothing too hazardous, and you might see some cooler than normal temperatures coming up. High temperatures up on the Arctic Circle, 53. Most of the inland is in the mid 50s to the high 60s. Most of the coast seeing moderate 50-degree temperatures, 54 to 56 for the Aleutians, 65 to 70 near Anchorage, and 64 for the Panhandle. Hawaii, you are pretty dry right now, and that's going to continue. You might be a bit breezy. Showers are going to favor the windward areas, and aside from scattered afternoon showers on South Kona, most of the leeward areas are going to be dry. And then on Wednesday, winds are going to shift more easterly, leading to more widespread leeward sea breezes, bringing higher chances for interior and leeward showers, mainly on Kauai, though. Today's high temperatures in Hawaii in the high 70s to the high 80s for most areas. All right, everybody, go donate if you can, and if you can't, that's cool too. We love you. We'll see you back here tomorrow for another weather report. Bye!